ChatGPT lockdown mode, the AI security workflow teams need now. Explain what ChatGPT lockdown mode and active sessions actually do, show why prompt injection risk changes AI workflow design, and give viewers a practical security checklist for sensitive AI use. OpenAI just made a security trade-off visible inside ChatGPT. If your work is sensitive, you may need to turn off some of the product's most convenient AI features on purpose. In plain English, safer AI may mean a dumber AI workflow in certain moments. That matters because more teams are using connected AI systems for real work, not only brainstorming. Here is what OpenAI says lockdown mode does. It limits or disables live web browsing, deep research, agent mode, file downloads, and some web-derived image support. Browsing is limited to cached content. The stated goal is to reduce the ways prompt injection-style attacks could push information out of the conversation. The skeptical question is important: if you remove all that, are you still getting the AI workflow you actually wanted? This is not only a cyber story. It is a workflow design story for anyone using AI around sensitive documents, internal planning, customer data, or regulated work. If the assistant can browse, pull live data, trigger connected actions, or download files, you get more speed but also more pathways that need trust. Lockdown mode is OpenAI effectively saying, some users want a more conservative operating mode, even if it costs functionality. 2 days before the lockdown rollout note, OpenAI added active sessions. That lets users review account sessions, see context like device, app, approximate location, sign-in time, and whether the session is trusted, then log out sessions they do not recognize. This matters because safer AI work is not only about what the model can do. It is also about who still has access to your account and where your active surfaces live. OpenAI is explicit about the limits. Lockdown mode does not guarantee data exfiltration cannot happen. It does not stop prompt injections from appearing in content. It does not change whether your chats may be used to improve models. It does not affect network access in codecs. And some app or role settings may still matter depending on the workspace. So the right mindset is not I turn this on, therefore I am safe. The right mindset is I reduced the attack surface, and now I still need workflow judgment. This week, run one controlled test. Pick a sensitive workflow like contract review, finance memo drafting, or board prep summarization. Turn on stricter guardrails. Review your active sessions. Then note what breaks. Did you truly need live browsing? Did agent mode matter? Did file downloads matter? If a stricter mode still gets the job done, you just found a safer default. If it breaks the workflow, now you know exactly which capabilities deserve closer policy and logging. Not included. This topic is about security guardrails and account governance, so a product mention would dilute the point. My judgment is that lockdown mode is valuable mostly because it makes a real trade-off visible. The AI industry has spent a lot of time selling connected convenience. OpenAI is now admitting that some users will need the opposite: fewer capabilities, more conservative defaults, and better account visibility. So here is the question: if your team uses AI on sensitive work, which feature would you give up first for more safety: live web access, agent mode, deep research, or easy file downloads? Create a polished explainer video in explainer format using whiteboard style. Keep the narration calm, practical, and source-backed. Use two-host energy if supported, a lead narrator plus a skeptical analyst who asks whether normal teams will really accept a more restrictive AI workflow. Change the visual idea every 3 to 5 seconds using source cards, settings panels, blocked network diagrams, session review boards, workflow checklists, and risk versus convenience comparison cards. Do not use fake realistic cyber attack footage or fabricated breach scenes. Use clearly illustrative security diagrams and product style visuals only. 1 June 4, 2026 2. June 2, 2026 3. February 13, 2026 4. All logged in users 5. Settings security 6. Cached web content only 7. Deep research disabled 8. Agent mode disabled 9. File downloads disabled 10. Active sessions 11. ChatGPT 12. Codex 13. API platform 14. Up to 30 minutes logout propagation 15. SSO accounts excluded from active sessions 1. One-page summary 2. Links mentioned 3. Key terms explained 4. Practical examples 5. Watch list and risks not financial advice. Educational analysis only. Hashtag AI, hashtag ChatGPT, hashtag AI security, hashtag prompt injection.